Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to create a new class for CS First. First, you need to go to csfirst.withgoogle.com or cs-first.com and sign in as a teacher. Once you're at your class dashboard, you can click on the pink Start a New Class button, and you can select a previous location from the drop-down list, or you can simply search and add a new location. So for this example, I'm going to select Galloway Township Middle School. And I get to pick a theme from the next screen. So I can select any theme that's offered here. Notice that the theme is titled and it has the difficulty level here labeled. You can also explore any materials and see student examples of what the students are going to be creating in this theme. What I would highly recommend is that you, as a teacher, go through the theme or the club as a student so that you have a full understanding of what your students are going to be completing. So for this example, I'm going to select sports. I select choose this theme. And I have to set a date, a start date here. So it's asking me to select the first day of your class. So I'm going to select something that's toward the end of the month. I can click on see detailed schedule, but you don't really need that. So I would recommend to bypass that. Make sure your time zone is correct and click save date. If materials were being shipped at this time, you would be able here to select that you would want your materials printed and sent to you via the mail. But at this time now, that option is not available. So it defaults to no. So I am going to simply hit don't ship me materials. And at this point here, all of the materials are available digitally. So I can find the flyer or post any school announcements, and I can download this information and print it out myself. So I can go back to my class dashboard, and you'll notice my sports activity class theme is listed here. I hope you found this screencast helpful.